How to open unsupported files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store on your iPhone. Once inside, use the search bar to look for a file manager app that supports any video format like AVI, MKV, etc., such as IRAR. After installing, open the application. Once the application is open, you will see its main interface. Here, tap on the plus icon as shown to add a new file. From the menu that appears, select the Import from Files or iCloud Drive option to access your device's storage. This will open the files browser. Navigate to the location of your MKV file, such as the Downloads folder. Tap on the video file you wish to play to select it, then tap Open to import it into the app. Once imported, the video will appear in the app's main list. Tap on it to begin playback. Following these steps, you can easily open unsupported files on an iPhone.